Ernesto Miranda was a convict dock worker at a small Phoenix produce company. On March 13, 1963, Phoenix police went to Miranda's home to speak with him about a kidnapping and rape case on a tip from the victim's brother. Miranda voluntarily accompanied them to the station and participated in a voluntary lineup. All the time, Miranda was a person of interest and not formally in custody. 2 officers questioned Miranda and came out with a full written confession after 2 hours. Despite the statement on top of the sheets that Miranda was confessing with full knowledge of my legal rights, he was not informed of his right to have an attorney present or of his right to remain silent. At trial, 73-year-old Alvin Moore tried unsuccessfully to get the confession thrown out. The jury found Mr. Ernesto Miranda guilty of kidnapping and rape. He was sentenced to 20 to 30 years on each count, and they should be served consecutively. A law firm in Phoenix wrote a 2,500-word petition for Centinoli that argued that Miranda's Fifth Amendment rights had been violated. The Supreme Court of the United States reviewed the case and found that Miranda's Fifth Amendment rights against self-incrimination had been violated, thus known the Miranda Rights. The result of the failure to give the Miranda warning does not automatically result in a defendant getting free. It only means the confession cannot be used against the defendant in court. Ernesto Miranda was tried again without the confession this time, but again he was convicted and he served 11 years before paroling in 1972. After a few more charges and parole violations, Miranda was stabbed to death in an argument in a bar in 1976. Ironically, the suspect was arrested but decided to be quiet and wait for his lawyer after he was read his Miranda rights.